Hey guys, my name's Rochelle.
And my name's Kiara.
And today we'll be giving you a tutorial on how to play I'm Yours by Jason Mraz on the ukulele.
I'm going to be showing you the basic chord progression to be able to play this song. If you want to know the whole structure, you're going to have to go on to the link below. So the chords you'll need are C, G, A minor, and an F.
The strumming pattern you'll need to know for the song is down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So it should sound something like... Now if you put all the parts together, it should sound something like...
Don't forget to like and subscribe,
And thanks for watching!